Portability and functionality meet hi-fi audio in the Dayton Audio Bluetooth speaker kit. With the same great sound as the Dayton Audio MK series, the kit adds a level of versatility. Powered by a 2x30 watt amp, the
Boom, chicka boom!
I said a boom, chicka boom.
delivers surprising power while remaining efficient enough to run on battery power. With the lack of a power cable needed, the
Boom, boom, boom. My feet go boom, boom.
is the perfect grab-and-go speaker for patios, tailgates, parties, and parks. Easy to assemble, the
Gotta get that.
is a great introduction into speaker building. Get yours only at Parts Express.